Hello, in this video I would like to show you our newer tester, EDP tester LST05, which is the newest one, version 6. This is key. The new one can accept between 12 to 24 volt DC supply. So including one wire adapter, AC/DC adapter, two wire harness. One is for 40 pin EDP interface, one is for the 30 pins. So basically this is brand new, and as you can see here, there's HDMI, USB we didn't use it. This is for some of our customers that this is a custom build, and then they need to use USB output signal to test it, or input signal, the HDMI. So ours don't have this one. This is only test under the 2K, but for this newer one, version 6 can take up to 4K. As you can see all these resolutions. Okay, just visit our site to see better one. Alright, so to use it, it's quite simple. You can connect to 12 volts. I have a screen here that have a 1600 by 900 resolution. If you look at your truck, 1600 by, let me see now the specs. Does a 2, 3, 10, 11, 12. The reason we have a 3 different, same resolution, different numbers, because some of the screen they have a different input level, the voltage. That's why I allow you to select it. It's quite simple. This is, as you can see, this is 30 pin. So you pick the 30 pin one. You're gonna connect to this is aligned with the white dots on this side. Okay, and then you just connect this to the screen. Okay, remember S1 is changing the first digit. S2 is changing the second digit, okay, on this charts. A2 is for the output of LED current. Please visit our website for more details. Okay, basically you can connect 12 volt to here. So see this, it's S1 change first digit, that says 10. So second one's, put it back 10. And then, now you turn on. So after you set this resolution chart, and then you push the red button, turn on. See? Then you can up and down button to change different pattern. Okay? So if you want to, you can try this 10. Let me say 11. 11 still works. Okay? So it's pretty straightforward. And then if you want to change the voltage, how are you going to do that? So basically you just press the red button once to shut off the power, and then you keep press down S5 for 5 seconds, then it will change. See? Okay, 5 volt, release 5 volt. If you want to change 12 volt, then you push down another 5 seconds, go to 12 volts. So this newer tester is when after you disconnect the power, we connect back, it will automatically set to default to 3.3 volt. See? The reason, because if accidentally set in 12 volt and stay on 12 volt, when you plug in different 3.3 volt screen, it's going to burn out the screen. Okay? Thank you for watching.